Good day everyone, my name is Orlan Engreso, studying the program of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. So in this video, this is already my task 3 and this is entitled Comparison of the Curriculum of the Secondary Level in the Education System. So since we talk about comparison of education system, we need two countries to be compared. So in my task 2 video, I am talking about the Philippines. And now, my chosen country to be compared with the Philippines is Nepal. So without further ado, let's begin our discussion. Okay, so in my task 1 and task 2 video, we talk about education system, right? So we have a lot of discussion about education. So what do you mean by education? So let's find deeper meaning about education. Okay, so education is a process or action of being educated or educating someone. So it means there is someone who gives lessons to their students, just like teachers teaching their students lessons so that they have something in their mind to be relied with in the future. Okay, so I said lately that I choose Nepal as my chosen country to be compared with the Philippines. So let's first know what is Nepal and where is Nepal located in the map. So Nepal, formerly the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a landlocked country. So just like the Philippines, Nepal is also located in in Asia, but it is already in southern part of Asia. So but in the southern part, it is mainly situated in the Himalayas. So Nepal is a diverse geographical country. So the Mount Everest, which is known to everyone, since it was filmed in many movies, and we can see it a beautiful mountain. So Mount Everest, it is also one of the 10 tallest mountains in the world, and it is located in Nepal. Okay, so that is the one of their landmark that we know. Okay, so Nepal is a multicultural state with Nepali as their official language. Okay, so Kathmandu is their capital and also the largest city in Nepal. So that's all about Nepal. And now let's jump into our very own country, which is the Philippines. Okay, so the Philippines, or officially the Republic of the Philippines, is an archipelagic country. It is also in the continent of Asia, but it is in the Southeast Asia. So it is situated in the Western Pacific Ocean, one of the largest sea in the world. So this consists of the around 7,641 island. So the Philippines consists of those islands. So we can say that Philippines is more larger than Nepal. So the Philippines are broadly categorized under 3 main geographical divisions. So those are Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay, so the Philippines has a diverse ethnicities and cultures throughout its islands. So Manila is the capital city of the Philippines, while the largest city is Quezon City. But they are both located in Luzon. So after we know the information about these two countries that we're going to compare now, so today I'm going to show you a table that consists of these two countries and the different grade levels. So in that different grade levels, we're going to know the subjects that were taught. For example, grade 7, what are the subjects that were taught in Nepal and in the Philippines, and we're going to compare them. Okay. But before I'm going to show you a table, let's first know the different education system in both countries. So in my task 2 video, we're talking about the Philippines. I taught there the education system in the Philippines. So in the secondary level. So in the Philippines, there are 6 years in the secondary level. Grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. That is the basic curriculum of the Philippines, where there are 4 years in junior high school, which is grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, and 2 years in senior high school, which is the grade 11 and grade 12. While in Nepal, they only have 4 years in secondary level, because in their elementary level, they have 8 years. So in total, they also have 6 years, just like the Philippines. It is also 6 years. But they add 2 years in their elementary. So in their elementary now, in their elementary, they have now grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, and grade 8. So that is their elementary. They have grade 8 grade levels. So in the secondary, they have 4 years. Grade 9, grade 10, which is their junior high, and grade 11 and grade 12, and which is their senior high school. So since we're going to compare them, I'm going to get the two of the elementary level of Nepal, which is the grade 7 and grade 8, to be compared with the grade 7 and grade 8 in the Philippines. Okay, so we can see in the table, and I'm going to remind you, okay? So grade 7 and grade 8 are elementary level of Nepal, while grade 7 and grade 8 is the secondary level of the Philippines. So I'm going to get the grade 7 and grade 8 of Nepal so that we can have a comparison of these two countries. Okay, so we can see at the table, so the subjects that were taught in the Philippines are Integrated Science 1, and this is in grade 7, okay? Mathematics 1, English 1, Filipino 1, Social Science 1, PEHM or Physical Education, Health, and Music. And we have also Values Education 1, Arts and Design and Technology or AdTech. So we have also Computer Science 1. So these are the subjects that were taught that is taught in grade 7 in the Philippines. While in Nepal, they have Science, Occupation, Business and Computer Technology Education, Nepali, Civics and Moral Education, Compulsory Mathematics, Social Studies, Optional Mathematics, Health, and PE. So as we can see in the grade 7 level of both countries, so as we can see in the table, both countries are studying music, arts, PE, and health. So in the Philippines, we are studying social science, while in the Nepal, they are studying social studies. So so they have a similar content, similar program in different countries. So we can also see in Nepali, in Nepal, they are more studying about mathematics. So their students must be very good at mathematics, so they can be in accounting or in engineering. So in grade 7 in the Philippines, we are studying Filipino. So in Nepal, they are studying Nepali. So both countries are studying its own mother tongue languages. Okay, so let's now proceed to grade 8. Okay, so grade 8 in the Philippines, the subjects are Integrated Science 2, Mathematics 2, English 2, Filipino 2, Social Science 2, PEHM 2, Values Education 2, and AdTech. So we can see that the subjects that are taught in grade 7 is just the same in grade 8. But the level of the lessons that is taught in the Philippines in grade 8 are increasing. So it means that it doesn't mean that they have the Philippine grade 8 and grade 7 have the same subjects that were taught. The level of the knowledge is also the same also. So just like the subjects, the level of information is also increasing. And take note, this is the core subjects that were taught in the grade 8 level in the Philippines. So there are other subjects, minor subjects, that is also combined with these subjects. So in Nepali, so the subjects that they taught there is science, social studies, and population, education compulsory maths, English, computer, optional mathematics, Nepali, health and physical education, and accountancy. So as I said lately, so Nepali really focusing on mathematics. So they also have in their grade 8, they also have accountancy. So it means that they're really expert on solving problems. So just for example, the mathematics problem. So in that case, they really want to find solution in different problems in mathematics. So they really want their students to be expert on engineering and in accountancy, since they thought about mathematics more in their country. So if we compare this in the Philippines is more studying on the social sciences. And we also have values education, which means the Philippines really focusing on the morality of their students. So they really want their students to be also competitive, and at the same time more they also have values in their life and in their environment also. So we can see the different goal of each country in terms of teaching their students, or the subjects that were taught are different, but in other way they have also similar subjects that were taught also. Okay, let's proceed to grade 9. So grade 9 is the beginning of the secondary of the Nepali students. So this is the our topic really fits, because our topic is focusing on the secondary level. Those grade 7 and grade 8 are just elementary level on Nepali. Okay, so let's proceed to the comparison of the grade level in the Philippines and Nepali in grade 9. Okay, so the subjects that were taught in the Philippines in grade 9 are Biology 1, Chemistry, Physics, Mathematics 3, English 3, Filipino 3, Social Science 3, PEHM 3 or Physical Education, Health, Music 3, Probability and Statistics, and Computer Science. So in this case, grade 9 level in the Philippines are studying in the branch of science in different level. So in Nepal, they are studying more about math. In the Philippines, we are studying more about science. So we have different fields that that were taught in each country. So as we can see, the Philippine grade 9 level now is already have probability and statistics, which is one of their subject. This is also a mathematics subject that is taught in the Philippines. So we can see also in that table that the subjects are also increasing. So from Filipino 1 to Filipino 3, from English 1 to English 3. So it doesn't mean that they have the same subject, they have also the same level of competencies that is taught. So just like the subject, the level of information and the skills that were taught by the teachers is also increasing in each grade level in the Philippines. Okay, so let's now proceed in the Nepal subjects that were taught in grade 9 level. Okay, the first subject is science, social studies, compulsory maths, environment, population, and health, accountancy also, computer, English, optional mathematics, and grammar. So in this state of grade level, the Nepal education system now have a subject of environment, population, and health. So they are already studying about their environment, population in the environment, and they also have grammar. So we notice from low level to high level of education system in both countries are showing the quality of education in each country to ensure that their students is competitive to each and other nation. Okay, let's now proceed to grade 10 level. So in grade 10 level, the subjects that are taught in the Philippines are biology 2, chemistry 2, physics 2, mathematics 2, mathematics 4, English 4, Filipino 4, social science 4, PEHM 4, STEM research, and computer science 4. So there is one subject that's added in grade 10. This is the STEM research 1. So when we talk about STEM research 1, this is like a thesis, or this is mainly a research paper studying a certain problem. So the students are studying problems. They conduct study. They need to have the opinion of other students about that certain problem, and they are going to solve it. So this is one of the advantage of having a research paper. So this subject is taught in grade 10 level in the Philippines. So the Filipino students is now already have a knowledge about researching and how to solve problems. So in Nepal, they have science, social studies, optional mathematics, EPH, compulsory mathematics, accounting, English, and computer science, and Nepali. Let's now proceed to grade 11 level. So, by the way, that is the end of the junior high school level. So the grade 10 is the end of the junior high school in both countries. So the next grade level is already senior high school in both countries, the grade 11 and grade 12. Okay, so let's going to know the subjects that are taught in the senior high school in the Philippines first. Okay, so the subjects that are taught are science, biology 3, chemistry 3, physics 3, mathematics 5, English 5, Filipino 5, social science 5, and research 2. So these are the core subjects only that are taught in the Philippines, and we also have minor subjects that is combined in these subjects. So when we see that the education system in the Philippines has ensured the quality of education that they give to their students. Okay, so the subjects that are taught in the Nepal country is physics, economics, computer science, chemistry, business studies, compulsory English, Nepal, mass communication, hotel management, mathematics, and travel and tourism, sociology, principles and accounting, and biology. So in grade 11, they are now studying economics, which all about the era of their country, and then they also have sociology. So this is the study of socialization of a person, and they also have mass communication, that is studying about communicating of in a large group of people. Okay, so those are the subjects that were taught in the grade 11 of the Philippines and in Nepal. So let's now go to the grade 12 level of the senior high school of both countries. Okay, so the subjects that is taught in the Philippines is science, biology 4, chemistry 4, physics 4, mathematics 6, English 6, Filipino 6, social science 6, and research 3. So these are the subjects that are taught here in the Philippines. While in Nepal, they have English, Nepali, social studies, mathematics. So they also have an optional subjects. So they are the one who choose which subjects they are going to combine with their core subjects. So those are accounting, hospitality management, biology, business studies, geography, chemistry, economics, marketing, and tourism. So those are the subjects that are taught in both countries. So we can see that there are subjects have similar to each other in both countries, but there are also subjects that are different in each country. So each country is studying a different goals. In Nepali, they're studying more about mathematics, and in the Philippines, we are studying more about social science. So we can see the difference of both countries, and we can see it in the table. Okay, so that's all about my video in task 3. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye!